Hey guys, it's Chantel. So today's video I'm gonna be teaching you how to do a snow overlay. Yesterday I took this picture of this cute little baby cow, and it was the cutest picture, but it wasn't snowing. I waited too long in the week, and I missed all of the fresh snowfall. And so because I wanted snow, I decided to just add a snow overlay over it, I guess you could say. And so today that's what I'm going to teach you how to do. You can apply the snow overlay in Photoshop to, if you shoot like little baby cows like I do, or couples, families, weddings, whatever, you can add the snow overlay to it. And so I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So this is going to be this is the edited images, if I can talk. This is the edited image that I have. The raw image, this was the raw image, this was after I edited it, and now I'm going to take it to Photoshop. So right now I'm in Adobe Lightroom. To take it to Photoshop, you're just going to do Command E, and that shortcut is going to take you to Photoshop. Sometimes it takes a minute. I'll do it one more time. Here we go. Sometimes it takes a minute, but it's just a good shortcut. It's easy, and that way you can go from Lightroom to Photoshop, and then from Photoshop to Lightroom with that same image without having several different images in there. So it's going to go ahead and load. Okay, perfect. So here we go with the edited image. So basically what I did is I downloaded a snow overlay. I'm actually going to move my little screen. Let's move it up here. That makes it easier. Okay, so basically this is the image straight from Lightroom, right? And so you're going to go ahead and add a new layer. So it says new layer right here. And I downloaded a snow overlay, which I'll include the link in the description of this video so you guys can download it. There are lots of different options out there. I like this one probably the most. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take it from your downloads folder, and then you're going to drag it. So it's right here on your screen, and you're going to be, with the new layer selected right down here, you're just going to drop it onto your current image. And then you'll see that that layer one became the snow overlay, which is what I named it. And then you're going to go ahead and, sorry, my brain froze. I'm just going to drag over my image like this. It's going to look kind of gnarly, but right here you're going to make sure you change this to screen. Now this is what's going to change it. Did you see that? So I went from normal, and then when it was kind of black and yucky and stuff, and then you're going to change it to screen right here. Okay, and that's going to add the snow on top and not show the black. And then you're going to go ahead and do enter, and then it's going to layer right here. Now what I did so the snow wasn't so strong is I changed the opacity. So with the layer selected, you're going to go ahead and bump down the opacity. You can bump it down to like literally nothing. And I probably had it around 70, 60, 70 something. Just make it comfortable where it's not so harsh like that. And that way it still looks natural. And go ahead and just select enter. And here you have your little baby cow. And then if you're going to get it back into Adobe Lightroom to finish editing or save it or export it from there, you're just going to take Command S, and that is going to save it and then throw it back into Lightroom. So if we do go back to Lightroom right here, so I put my edited image right here into Lightroom, and then you just go ahead and export it, and you can even edit on top of it if you like to. So that is how you add a snow overlay to any JPEG, PSC image, or whatever. Go from Lightroom to Photoshop. It's pretty darn easy. You can do that with any other snow overlay that you download, but like I said, I'll include one in the link to my description, and let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, and Happy New Year, because today is 2019. Happy New Year, guys. Have a good one. Bye.